Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Today, we have a report from SamMobile talking about a device slowdown issue stemming from the May 2024 Google Play system update. I have been unable to determine if this issue is widespread across all Android devices or if it's limited to just Samsung Galaxy smartphones and tablets. Either way, there seems to be a bug with the May 2024 Google Play system update that is causing applications and games to launch slower than they did before the update had been installed. The issue has been acknowledged via Samsung's own community forum, and in it, they also offer a quick fix to work around the issue. Sadly, this workaround will not resolve the bug entirely, but it is a way to avoid the slower launch times until an update is rolled out to resolve the problem. The workaround to this issue is to simply reboot the Android smartphone when you notice these slowdowns. So either long press on the side key to bring up the power menu if you have set that up, or swipe down from the top of the screen twice and then tap on the power button from there. Now, we can actually automate this process on Samsung Galaxy devices that have the One UI firmware installed. I even published a video about how this can be scheduled on the channel earlier today. So look for a link down in the video description below if you're curious about this auto restart feature. Sadly, rebooting the phone or tablet seems to be the only workaround for this bug, but I suspect that either Google or Samsung will roll out an update that actually fixes the issue in the near future. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have noticed this app slowdown bug on any of your Android devices this month.